Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to embellish these sunglasses. I am going to break the monotony a little because I've been doing a lot of handbags. Today we're going to do the sunglasses. I designed sunglasses quite some time ago, so I thought it'd be nice to switch it up. I am going to show you all the tools that you're going to need. So the first thing I did is cut out some Post-its so that you don't see the glare on the lens, and it also protects it from the glue. You're going to need your trusted E6000. Make sure you wear an industrial mask and preferably work outside or a well-ventilated area. I am currently outside, so I don't breathe in the fumes. This glue is highly toxic. You will need your embellishments, and you can pick any color that you'd like. These glasses are tortoiseshell brown, so I thought that these smoked quartz looking crystals will be perfect. So the glasses will go from this to this. Try to avoid the globs of glue so that they don't look messy. I have already pre-designed just on top, placed the stones so I could get an idea of how I want them to look. So these slide, so make sure that you are babysitting the stones because they will move, and work one side at a time. I'm going to be placing crystals around the frame, the entire frame here, which is a bit daring because it gets very narrow at the bottom. But I wanted it to make sure I use up these crystals, and I haven't designed a pair like this, so that's my reasoning. I would highly suggest that you allow the glue to get tacky when working on sunglasses before you start applying the stones, and that takes about 3 minutes or so. So this side is done. Just hold it and let it dry for a bit. Before you start on the other side, make sure that these are in place and not really sliding. So make sure when you're placing your stones, they are even on both sides. Otherwise, when you're wearing them, it'll really annoy you if they are not symmetrical. All right, guys, so this is what they look like. They are fully dry. I did think about putting some rhinestones on the side, but I did change my mind. I am going to be showing you what they look like in the sun. They sparkle so much. They are massive on the face, and I absolutely love them. Maybe I'll insert a video of myself wearing them. If you like videos like this, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up or pop a comment below, perhaps do both. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do so down below. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.